We want to turn now to the fast-moving developments in the battle over a key abortion drug. Today, the Justice Department appealed a federal judge's ruling that would block access to that drug, asking for an emergency stay. And hundreds of top executives at pharmaceutical firms are also blasting the judge's decision. CBS's Weijia Jiang is at the White House on what this all means for women throughout the country.
Tonight, the White House is promising it will fight to keep the abortion pill mifepristone available to women. Jen Klein is the Biden administration's point person on abortion-related issues.
It is safe, it is effective, and there is no reason to be removing it from the market at this point.
The conservative Texas judge behind the ruling to ban the drug argues that the FDA improperly approved it 23 years ago, ignoring legitimate safety concerns. But at the time, the FDA actually spent triple the average amount of time studying the drug. Mifepristone is one of 2 approved pills that are used together to carry out more than half of legal abortions in the country. Over the weekend, protesters blasted the court decision.
This is going to create utter chaos, utter disruption of women's lives.
While supporters praised it.
The order is all about righting a wrong now.
Just after the Texas ruling, a Washington state judge did the opposite, blocking any changes to mifepristone's availability in 17 states and the District of Columbia, where Democrats sued. Today in Massachusetts, the governor announced her state has started stockpiling mifepristone, buying 15,000 doses. Senator Elizabeth Warren.
This extremist Texas judge reminds us that Roe will be on the ballot in 2024.
Some Republicans are already leaning into that fight.
Maybe come a point where House Republicans on the appropriations side have to defund FDA programs that don't make sense.
But today, 400 pharmaceutical leaders issued a scorching condemnation of that Texas ruling, saying if courts can overturn approved drugs without regard for science, then every medicine is at risk of facing the same legal challenges as mifepristone. Norah?
It's quite a ruling and a saying, yeah. Weijia Jiang, thank you.